Hi everyone, this is the DeepHealth group. Our group is working on the mental health indicator support system, which specifically focuses on the prediction of anxiety or depression during the COVID-19 pandemic using deep learning approaches.
Most of the public today has never experienced a mass quarantine before now, and the jump from the regular life to social distancing has been shown to cause an increase of anxiety and depression. As is shown in the website, CDC has started an experimental data system named the Household Pulse Survey from the end of April to collect the mental health related data.
We downloaded the data from CDC and visualized it on Map server online. CDC collected data every 1 or 2 weeks from the end of April. As we can see that the indicator of anxiety or depression increased through time and the colors are getting darker.
The CDC survey provides us the initial data, but the survey data always has a time lag and they represent the public mental health status in the past. Our group is interested in if there are real-time trends or relationship between the mental health data to the COVID-19 status. Here we show the data in the state of Iowa. The anxiety or depression rate curve is in gray. It is below 30 in the beginning and it increased to the 35% in the last month. The COVID-19 cases is increased through time as well. It is shown in the blue curve. The death rate is decreased through time and it is shown in the orange curve. We define the question that if we know the previous data, for example, the previous 4 time steps data and the current COVID-19 data in the blue boxes to predict the anxiety or depression rate at the current time step in the red box. In this way, we define this problem as a single-step time series prediction task. With our experiments, several time series deep learning models could help to find the trend and make the real-time predictions. For example, the RNN, the recurrent neural networks, or the long short-term memory models. The temporal convolutional network (TCN) is a model we selected in our project. It is a CNN-based model and it works better and faster than LSTM or other RNNs. In our model training, we use the previous 12 time steps as the training and the validation data sets. And we test our model performance use the last 2 time steps. Here is the overall result of our last 2 time step. Our model performance on 102 data points has a correlation coefficient of 0.679, which is our best estimation among different settings. Here is a time series plot in the state of Iowa for our 2 test time steps. The yellow dots are the prediction results and the gray dots are the CDC results. As we can see that our predictions are in a certain range of the ground truth.
We visualized our result of the 13th time step on an interactive map. People can click on each state to see the anxiety or depression prediction and the CDC result.
Our final result is simple, but we try a lot in our project. For example, the University of Maryland provides a social distancing index and staying home percentage data. Although our model including this data does not provide us a better result, we still believe that they may be helpful in future since the current CDC anxiety or depression data is very limited. Our project explores the feasibility of the real-time prediction of mental health issues using the time series data in state level. Our end users from the state public health department may benefit from our product. The time series modeling with deep learning can do great jobs on the modeling and predictions. What we did are in the green of our whole roadmap. If we have more data, the models can be used to provide suggestions or guidance on individual level from their behaviors.